No hit bonus going to the owner of the Buffalo Sabres. I do not believe and Buffalo did not receive a hit in the break. So Sabre Sean. Pair of World Junior grads from Canada vs. the World coming your way. Let's take 3 chips for bonus box break 14, which is almost filled. Detroit. Crow spot for you in bonus box break 14. Pittsburgh Penguins, which is also Crow. And the New Jersey Devils, Blue Nose. So Crow, 2 spots for you, Blue Nose spot for you in bonus box break 14. Crow, you're doing too good. Alright, moving on to Deal or No Deal. So we got our Deal or No Deal wall, 20 tins. So let's pick a chip and see who's playing. Playing Deal or No Deal will be the owner of the St. Louis Blues. St. Louis is Subterfuge. So Mike, 3 tins from 1 to 20. 6, 4, 3. Alright, those are at the top. Just got to grab them. Dodge all these Dominion tins on the floor. Alright, so for Subterfuge, Deal or No Deal, starting with tin number 6. Pair of authentic fabrics, Evander Kane, Zach Parise from SP Game Used. Quick pass on that one. In number 4. Some more authentic fabrics, this time Duncan Keith and Henrik Lundqvist. I wonder if there's authentic fabrics in here. Nope. You've got Sign of the Times Dual Auto, Shane Doan, Martin Hanzal. So that's going to Subterfuge as part of Deal or No Deal. You didn't get your free hit draft spot. So that's the break, guys. So thanks a lot for participating. Hope you enjoyed the case break tonight as well as this box. And make sure to check out the rest of the auctions on the site over the weekend and the buy it nows that are currently up there. So take care and enjoy.